Sikhism is a monotheistic religion that originated in the Punjab region of South Asia in the late 15th century. It was founded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and is based on his teachings and those of the 9 successive Sikh gurus who followed him. Sikhism is the 5th largest organized religion in the world, with approximately 25 to 30 million adherents, known as Sikhs. Hashtag core beliefs and principles. 1. One God. Sikhism emphasizes the belief in one formless, timeless, and omnipresent God. 2. Equality. Sikhism rejects caste, gender, and racial discrimination, advocating for the equality of all human beings. 3. Service and compassion. Sikhs are encouraged to live a life of selfless service and to help those in need. 4. Honest living. Sikhs are expected to earn an honest living and share their earnings with others. 5. Meditation and prayer. Regular meditation and recitation of God's name are central practices. Hashtag sacred texts. The Guru Granth Sahib is the central religious scripture of Sikhism, regarded as the eternal guru. It contains hymns and teachings of the Sikh gurus and other saints from different religions and backgrounds. Hashtag key practices. 5Ks. Sikhs who are initiated into the Khalsa are required to wear 5 articles of faith. 1. Kesh. 2. Kengha. 3. Kara. 4. Kachera. 5. Kirpan. Gurdwara. The Sikh place of worship where the Guru Granth Sahib is housed and communal prayers and hymns are sung. Langar. A free community kitchen where meals are served to all, regardless of background, as a symbol of equality and service. Hashtag history. Guru Nanak founded Sikhism and emphasized devotion to God, equality, and social justice. The 10 Sikh gurus, from Guru Nanak to Guru Gobind Singh, shaped the religion's teachings and practices. Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th guru, established the Khalsa in 1699, giving Sikhs a distinct identity. Hashtag Sikh identity. Sikhs are easily recognizable by their distinctive appearance, particularly the turban worn by many Sikh men and women. The turban represents honor, self-respect, and commitment to Sikh values. Sikhism is a vibrant and inclusive faith that emphasizes living a truthful, compassionate, and purposeful life while maintaining a strong connection to God.